Hey guys, and welcome to Bosh TV. Today I'm going to be cooking for you black olive pesto pasta. It's super speedy, it's so Moorish. I think you're going to absolutely love this recipe, so let's get into it. Now, because this recipe is so quick, I'm going to get the pasta on first and do the sauce while the pasta is cooking. Start with a really generous pinch of salt in the water. That salt is going to just gently penetrate through that pasta and make it taste better. Find high quality pasta if you can. And we've got loads of water, so that pasta will have lots of water to swim around in and properly cook all the way through. And just move it around, make sure it doesn't stick together. And one final tip I would like to give you, which I believe I learned from Jamie Oliver when I was probably about 13 years old, is to add a few cloves of garlic into the pasta water. That's gonna give you a little bit of a garlicky flavor throughout that pasta, but also they're kind of nice in the pasta sauce too. I'm gonna leave that pasta to cook and then get on with our breadcrumbs. So why the devil are we putting breadcrumbs on pasta, you may ask? And I understand the question, it is carbs on carbs, but they're gonna give a lovely texture, a kind of crunchiness on the top of our spaghetti. So we have used this sourdough loaf, blitzed that up in a food processor to get these lovely chunky breadcrumbs. Now these bad boys are gonna go into our pan along with a generous dollop of olive oil, about a teaspoon of oregano. But if you wanted to do some kind of mixed herbs, that's fine. Get that onto toast and pull them out when they are nice and golden and starting to get really crispy. Now they look absolutely perfect. Time to make our pesto sauce. Basil is gonna go in. Some parsley to add a nice additional flavor. Black olives or Kalamata olives. Almonds, 4 tablespoons of olive oil. A touch of tomato puree and some balsamic vinegar for that lovely acidity. This is nooch. It's kind of cheesy and nutty. That'll take the place of the Parmesan. Pinch of salt, pinch of pepper. That is ready to blend. It's really important to use a food processor rather than a blender and to pulse it gently. That is perfect. It looks absolutely wonderful. Wow. It tastes absolutely amazing, and our pasta's ready now. It's time to mix everything together. First, we'll add our gorgeous pesto. To loosen this, you're gonna use a little bit of the leftover pasta water. You know, maybe a ladleful or so. That's just gonna loosen everything and make it really easy to stir through that spaghetti. I mean, look at that. It looks wonderful. Now let's get this onto a plate. There you have it, our black olive pesto pasta. Super quick, super easy, and hopefully so delicious. That is one of the tastiest plates of pasta you're ever gonna taste. Honestly, I love pasta and pesto, I always have, and this is perhaps my favorite one. So quick, so easy. Do let us know if you try it out, because I think you're gonna love it. Let us know your thoughts in the comments down below, guys, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace.